When Denver hailstorms strike, Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver is your trusted partner. Hail damage roof repair in Denver? It's our expertise, and we have you covered. Denver homeowners deserve the best. That's precisely what they get with Denny's. Our team is skilled in assessing and mending the destruction hail can cause. With decades of experience, we understand Denver's roofing challenges. Each project showcases our dedication to Denver homes and businesses. Our commitment is to repair and fortify your home against nature's fury. Our professionals ensure a seamless repair process every step of the way. Using only top-tier materials, we ensure a repair that stands the test of time. For peace of mind, choose Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, where quality meets integrity. Discover Denny's differences and safeguard your roof from future hailstorms. Need a speedy response about your hail damage roof repair in Denver? Call us now at 970-545-0020. Browse our testimonials at dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, when Denver homeowners call after a hailstorm, we're there, rain or shine.